Climate change. In the atmosphere, it refers to the long-term alteration of temperature, weather patterns, and atmospheric conditions on Earth due to the increasing concentration of greenhouse gases. There are two types of climate change. First one is natural climate change. It is caused by natural atmospheric processes like volcanic eruptions, which releases gas into the atmosphere and changes in solar radiation. Second one is anthropogenic human-induced climate change. It is caused by the release of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide from activities like burning fossil fuels, which alter the composition of the atmosphere. Causes of climate change. First one is greenhouse gases emission. It is from vehicles, factories, and agriculture, increasing the heat trapping gases in the atmosphere. Second one is deforestation. It reduces Earth's ability to absorb carbon dioxide, increasing its concentration in the atmosphere. Last one is air pollution. Aerosols and particulates in the atmosphere affect cloud formation and solar radiation. Effects of climate change. Rising global temperatures due to the more heat being trapped in the atmosphere. More intense weather events like typhoons, droughts, and heavy rainfall caused by changing atmospheric pressure and temperature patterns. Melting ice and rising sea levels. Warming atmosphere level leads to polar ice melt and thermal expansion of oceans. Results of climate change. Disruption of weather systems, unpredictable weather due to atmospheric imbalance. Poor air quality. It intensifies smog and ground level ozone, harmful to health. Heat waves and droughts. Hotter atmosphere increases water evaporation and reduces rainfall in some areas. There are places experiencing climate change. In the Philippines, they experienced Typhoon Yolanda in Tacloban. It is the harsh effects of the climate change during Typhoon Yolanda in 2013. Warmer oceans and rising sea levels intensified the storm, causing deadly storm surges and massive destruction. And outside the Philippines is California, USA wildfires. They faces intense wildfires and droughts driven by hotter and drier atmospheric conditions. There are steps to prevent climate change. First one is reduce emissions. Use renewable energy sources to cut atmospheric greenhouse gases. Reforestation. Plant trees to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Promote clean transportation. Bicycling, electric vehicles, and public transit reduce air pollution. Raise awareness. Educate people on the importance of maintaining a clean atmosphere.